Honey, I bought a cuckoo clock.
Disgusting. Do we have to keep it?
We do. Kids, you better not touch this or I will beat the out of you.
Dad, that is an awesome cuckoo clock. Can I please touch it?
Don't touch it. Leave your sister alone!
I'm so excited to be 12 now. This is the best birthday ever.
Quit teasing your sister!
I am so sad that my crush saw me fall with the birthday cake. I know exactly how to get my sister in trouble. By touching Dad's cuckoo clock that he told us specifically not to touch, and I'll blame it on her. Time for school. Time for school. This isn't my class.
What is a third grader doing in here?
Get
Hey,
out
little
of
buddy,
here.
I think you're lost. Here, come with me.
Whoa, I'm a little kid now. I seem to be reversing in time. Ever since I touched that cuckoo clock. I need to get to that cuckoo clock, and fast.
We're gonna visit this antique store with your father.
Goo gaga.
Wow, fancy.
Goo goo gaga. Hey, what are you doing here?
Looking for a new table.
We have all sorts of tables.
No way.
This one. I can tell you like this one.
Ooh, is this real?
It says $7.90, but I can mark that down. $7.70.
Can you do it for $7.72?
It's $7.73.
Is it real oak?
800, take it or leave it.
800? We can do 800.
That's...
Okay, don't touch the cuckoo clock.
Give me.
Whoa! It's my birthday again! Not today.